Hey, what is going on, guys? So I hope you are all having a great week. So on today's video, I got the chance to review a scent that it really does remind me of summer, but the more I use it, I think I can go a little longer than summer. So that being said, just keep watching. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard stuff, I do some hair stuff, I do shave stuff, and occasionally I'll have a drink with you, especially if I find something good. I want to share it with you. So if you like the way that sounds and you want to know when it happens, hit that button. There you go. Alright, guys, so like I said in the intro, I got to review a scent from a company that really initially reminded me of summer. But the more I used it, I can see it going further than summer. And that company that I got to review is Beard Hoss. Alright. Here we go. There we go. I spoke to Ryan from Beard Hoss and about doing a review. And he told me he gave me his top three, and I believe it is, it's not in this order, but I believe it is Man Cave, MERICA, and Barbershop were his top three. I read over all the notes that he has on those. I said, just, you know what, pick one and let's see what happens. So he ended up sending me MERICA. Let's just get into the packaging here, okay? So I gotta tell you, it was pretty refreshing to get a clear bottle where I can see, you know, the color of the product and everything. And I know I'm not dogging the other beard companies, and I know it's a very common practice to put the beard oils and whatnot into an amber bottle, because that bottle will help protect the product from any damaging light over time. It was a nice change, you know, change of pace for me. His design is pretty good because it has a white cap. Again, don't see that very often. And then his labeling is white. So it just has a different feel altogether. I like it. The packaging just really just stands out. It really has a nice pop to it. We'll get into the ingredients now. And this one has, where'd it go? I found it. Here we go. Alright, so it's got jojoba or jojoba, you guys just debate it at this point, grapeseed oil, argan oil, and essential oil and fragrance. So there's obviously a fragrance blend in there. MERICA will have notes of gunpowder, bourbon, cigar, vanilla, and cinnamon. I'll get into what I take from when I actually smell the product here. So I initially get a sweet cinnamon smell, and it is followed by like a smoky smell. The smell itself is very pleasant, but it's different for me, and it's different in a good way. I'm not saying that to be nice or polite or anything. It truly is. It's different and in a good way. I've reviewed a lot of different products now, and a lot of times with beard oils, some are just executed better or differently than others, but it's some of the things are similar, and that's okay. This is different for me. This was a first, and I do like it. Then the more I used it, you know, I would have to say like probably halfway through my week, it felt like a summer scent, and we just got through Memorial Day when I'm making this video. So it feels very summery to me because of it. Basically, it reminds me of eating apple pie and blowing shit up on the 4th of July. It just has that smell, and that's what it reminds me of. But the more I used it, I really can see myself using this anytime I want. It's not just a summer scent. It's got this like fresh, smoky kind of scent with it's got this sweet cinnamon with this smoke in it, and it's a really cool, it's a very cool blend. It really is. Ryan also sent along the beard butter here. In typical packaging, it's a 2-ounce tin. It's got his label on it here. It does not have the ingredients listed here. Give me a second. I'm gonna consult the Google. It's actually not the Google. I can pull his website up. The ingredients for his beard butter are coconut oil, vitamin E oil, shea butter, beeswax, and then again essential oil and fragrance. This does carry the same scent notes as the beard oil, and I'll show you how this stuff looks too. It's pretty white. All right, and it's beard butter, so it's not necessarily beard balm. So it's very soft, very pliable. Similar scent notes. I get a little more smoke out of this one, and I say that in regards to it's almost like the smoke just speaks a little louder in this mixture here. Not a bad thing at all, really not. it still starts off with a sweet cinnamon and gets into the smoke, but the smoke just seems to be a little broader than in the oil. Really cool stuff. And I'll open the product now and show you what it's all about. You can see it's pretty light yellowish color. I'd say it's a medium, kind of a medium thickness oil. It's got this fresh, smoky scent. Fresh and smoky, you know, and it's because of that cinnamon. It just, so you get like this sweet cinnamon and smoke smell. Very nice. Really enjoyed using this one. I will most likely keep using this one. This one's pretty good stuff. Oil works great. Gets in the beard. You know, you see, got some shine going here. Good weight to it. Doesn't really feel greasy or anything, so I like that. And we'll get into the beard butter here. This was pretty cool. I really have never gotten a chance to use a beard butter yet, so again, Ryan, thank you. This was cool. I had to give you my first timer's impression on this. It's pretty much like a very soft balm. So it doesn't take much to get this. You don't have to scrape or anything. I just kind of take my finger there, and there we go. We got some butter. Guys, it just goes right in, and this is a great, I use it just like I do the balm. It just, it's a good reinforcement for the oil. I'm getting a little more smoke out of this mixture than I did with the oil. I do like it. I really do. I don't think I've been very good in my other videos about this here lately. You gotta finish with a brush, guys. You got to finish with a brush. So, it's good stuff. Really, check this one out. Again, pretty cool. I would say, you know, start this one here in the summer. It was a fun new scent for me, and I would hope that it would be the same thing for you guys. So that being said, that is my review, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below and hit that subscribe button. Have a great week. Take care.